Today's video is going to be, let me see if I can show you. It's going to be a 99-cent store haul. I have my things right here. You can see Baby Yoda over there. Today I got this bag. It is the Mandalorian, and you can see the Mandalorian and the child here, which I can't remember, but they said their name already, but I can't remember. I have that to show you, so let's get started. Leila. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to be showing you, or I should tell you first, they have a great variety of new toys, and these are like completely new. I don't think I saw any repeat from last year or the year before that. They had a bunch of new toys. They're like knockoffs of things because they had all the princes, and again, they're the knockoffs of the Disney princesses. But it's a good toy, like if you're gonna do a toy drive or anything like that, or just go cheaply on the toy giving, the 99-cent store is your go. Remember, it's not just 99 cents. It goes all the way to $14.99, I think, or so $9.99. But it's a good price for a toy that you might find way expensive somewhere else, like Walmart or somewhere like that. So let's get started with the hauling. I'm going to be showing you the gift bags that I got because they have a great value there. They have packets. Excuse me. They have packets. This one is the only one that I got that is like not in a packet, I think, or a few. Actually, a few. This is Mary Rex Max. It has a dinosaur, of course, and I got this one for my nephew because he has a dinosaur theme gift, and I thought he would like this one. Even if he doesn't, it has a little theme, and it makes me happy. And the snow is glittery, and some of the little sparkles on the Christmas lights and on the gift are glittery as well. Hopefully you're able to see that. Can you? Well, you were able to see. The next bags here that are single is these ones. They have the Warm Wishes penguin, and then on the sides, I believe they have another different pattern. Look at this. It's like the penguin scarf. It's cute. It's like square baggy. The next one, in the same kind of theme, Luna, Leila. It's the Santa Claus, and I believe on the side it's his hat. Oh, it's just like red with snowflakes. Ow, kind of like the theme of his hat. It's just the snowflakes are on the white part. And this one says Merry Christmas. If you could see, like it says here, Merry Christmas. And the other one said Warm Wishes. I got this for my the gifts for my nieces and nephews, because that's who I'm mostly gonna give out. And then this one, it has a little elf here. It's so cute. I think this one is the only one that I saw. I'll be mistaken, maybe. It's a little elf, and it says absolutely no peeking, and it's glittery. Ooh, you can see the glitters here. All the black part is glittery. On the other side, it says the same exact thing, except it's not glitterized. But I like it. And the little elf, it's a great touch. And on the side, I think it's just stripes. Yep, just stripes. The bundle of joy here is this one, $1.99, but it has 3 gift bags. These ones are a little bit bigger than the other ones. Actually, they're the exact same size. But there's that paper bag, kind of farmish, whatever that is, and it's $1.99, but again it's 3 in the pack. And then you can see it has that instead of being the red truck, this one's a red car, and Happy Holidays are in foil lettering. The next one says Merry Christmas, and it's Santa Claus. What is he holding? He's holding a little gift. And then the Merry Christmas is in foil. And the last one over here, it says let us know. Of course, it's a snowman, and one of the trees is foil, and then this one, and then let us know, it's foil lettering, and $1.99 like I told you, but it's a pack of 3, and it's that paperback kind of a thing. This one is also that papery bag thing, and this one has 4 gift bags. These are a bit smaller, and then this one does have the little red truck, and it says Happy Holidays. I like it. On the sides here, it has this dark teal one. I think these ones are all paperback. They don't have a design. Oh no, they do. Look, the car has the little Christmas trees, the Santa Claus. The Santa Claus has the snowflakes. Hopefully you can see. And then the snowman probably has snowflakes as well. Yep, snowflakes. So this one has the little teal one. The next bag here, it says Let It Snow, kind of like that. Let It Snow. It's a little bit, it has those red stripes. And then we have the Happy Holidays Village. It's really cute. It has the pink and teal colors. I love it. And then there was another one that had glittery, but it was way smaller. It's just polka dots. And then the last one, it says Merry and Bright with those Christmas tree lights, those big bulbs. That's the one I have, and I have stripes. That's the ones I have in my outside decor. Those big bulbs from Walmart. The next baggies are another pack. It's a 3-pack, and this one is a gift bag. These ones are a bit different than just a little bag. I'm gonna open it so I can show you. It's not just a little. It has the penguin, the snowman, and the Santa Claus, and the bows are actually a bow. But these ones are like really cute because look at this. They're not just a little baggie. They're kind of like an envelope. An envelope baggie. Look at this. Look at that. And it has this little Velcro little attachment here. So they stay like this. Pretty cute. It kind of looks like a little chocolate bag. You can put a little like anything, chocolates if you want to or not. That is all for the gift wrapping or gift bags. The next thing that I got, I'm going to take out because it's super heavy. Sorry, I'm giving you my bag. They're these. Ooh, they're the head and shoulders. Herbal Essence Revealing Lush. I can't speak today. Reveal in Lush Aromas. Color care for hair. Color Me Happy. Hair and body wash. Shampooing and gel douche. I guess it has all of those things. Recyclable bottle, PBHB balance, color safe. If your hair is dyed with any color, it is a $2.99. Of course, it's cheaper than on the regular store. Herbal Essence, and specifically this scent drives me crazy. It's absolutely marvelous. The next thing here is this little earmuffs. They were $1.99. They had them in this red, and they also had it in gray with the little cat ears. They also had one with like the headband was made of pearls. Luna wanted them, so I got these ones for her. Leila didn't care for any of them, so I didn't get none for. She cares more about food like chocolates and things like that, or cookies. The next thing is this one. What? Yes, it's best flavor forever lip balm inside from Disney Tsum Tsums, and this is Mary had a little lamp. Not that Mary, but cute. Yes, I actually have 3 of these because I'm gonna gift one. Then one of them is for my collection, and one of these actually Leila got. Here you go, Leila. Leila wanted one of those, so there's that lip smacker. Then I also got this Lilac Dreams eyeshadow palette, and it's kind of like on the purplish, and I got this one for a little girl that it's our neighbor, and she does her makeup really good, but I think this is a good practice makeup. I didn't want to give her something expensive, and you know, she does pretty good, but anyways. Then I got all of these makeup things because I got my cousin a makeup bag that is kind of, move you a little bit this way. I got her this makeup bag from Amazon. I will link it below if you like it. And is this like retro, kind of like comic makeup bag? Because I saw she had a huge ass little box of her makeup. Look at the little things. The only thing that they I didn't like was that the little thing here kind of like it should have stopped here. You see that one? But no, they decided to continue. It made her face awkward and stupid. But you see the shenanigans, the theming of it. The inside has little things here. Wait, Leila. So that's why I saw these ones, and they kind of go with it. You know, like the comic theme. It's the Remy Rose collection. Look, I got her this. Leila, hold on, mommy. Wait, hold on, Leila. I got her the dual eyeshadow pencil. It has the pencil black and brown and the little sharpener. I also got her this lip balm, and it's on the lip. I'm thinking it's like this orangey color, but you see the little face here with the, it's kind of like the same theme. And then I also got her this lip exfoliator, and it has the little there thing. And then I have these other two things. This one is the pressed eyeshadow, and the color is Regina. And then the last thing that I got there was this little Smile Sparkle Shine cosmetic mirror. This one I'm very curious to see how, because it's very compact, and I liked it. It has little sparkles. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You see yourselves there? Hi, camera. It's a nice little mirror. I like it. And so this one's I like for the filler, of course. Like, it's not her completed gift. But anywho, it kind of goes into theme with the makeup bag with all of these in there. So I got those for her. And the piece of resistance that I got are the Harry Potter puppets, or what would you call those, like vinyl figures. I'm going to show you right now. Let me open this because Leila is waiting. They are 4 items. They were on the expensive side for vinyl figures for me, but they are Harry Potter, they're collectibles, and they were all 4. If I hadn't found at least one of them, if I only had found 3 of the 4th, I would have gotten one. I only would have got one. But I found all 4. Curse the 99-cent store. Okay, this is it. This is the first one I found. Harry Potter. Look at this. Harry Potter. This is Dobby. It is a $4.99 item, and it says here an extreme value. So it's way more expensive somewhere else. It says open here. Look at this. Here's Dobby. Dobby is my favorite. Look at he has his little book and his little sock. And then to collect, there are 4. Of course, there's Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, and Dobby. Got Dobby. The next one is Hermione. Oh, I'm gonna put them up there. Look at Hermione has a bunch of things here on the back, and she has her little earmuffs when they were in the scene where the little trees cry, and she also had her wand. She has her wand. Look at that. It's so cute. Then I got, let's leave Harry Potter for the last. I have Ron Weasley, and I love the little puppet things. The little box. He also has the earmuffs, his little wand, and the little plant. Now this little plant is in a little pot. Look at that. Can you see? It's a little pot. And Hermione's is like completely out. It has like a body of the little plant. It's like from that scene, I guess. And then the last one for the thing is Harry Potter. You can see here on the back, that's the only 4 for the collection, and I got the whole collection. Thank you very much. I think the Hermione Granger was the one that there were a few only, like couple, I think. Again, they were $4.99, and let's get a look at Harry Potter. There's Harry. Harry also has his earmuffs, his little wand, and his little pot friend. His is also in a little pot. I don't think they're the same one, but nope. His is kind of like hiding, because you know they show their emotions. He's kind of like hiding, and then Harry Potter's is kind of like mad, kind of wanting to get out of the pot, and Hermione's is completely out of the pot. But yeah, that is all that I got for today's haul. They do have extremely nice toys. Oh, I had another one. It was a Barbie plush doll that Luna kept over there.
Wait, I'm gonna bring a camera, okay?
This one, it says I love my best friend forever, and Luna choose this one for Yamilet. Yamilet is for our little niece, and of course it says Barbie on the back. This is a $3.99 item. Look, there's the other one. They had different ones from here. Layla had another one, but at the end she didn't want it, and she left it for chocolate pretzels. And this one, look at this. See, it's a $3.99 item. It's an extremely extreme value. So it's not gonna be $3.99 somewhere else. And it says fun fairs, and it's this little Barbie here. You can see it's her. Like, look at the Barbie with the polka dot.
I'm gonna see what this color.
So that's her. Yay! Yeah. Well, that is all that I got for you guys today to show you from the 99-cent store. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below what was your favorite item from the things that I got. And subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you already did, thank you very much. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.